AdZis Honest Review? Watch before using. Welcome to the AdZis Honest Review. AdZis is a content automation tool designed for e-commerce businesses and online retailers who need fast, high-quality product descriptions for large inventories. If you're managing hundreds or even thousands of products, AdZis claims to help you generate descriptions at scale without needing a full team of writers. One standout feature of AdZis is its AI-driven automation, which generates product descriptions by pulling product details and formatting them into customer-friendly language. This approach saves you time by cutting down on repetitive writing tasks and, importantly, helps maintain consistency across your catalog. Another key benefit of AdZis is its flexibility. It allows for custom templates, meaning you can set a tone and structure that aligns with your brand's voice. Plus, you can tailor it for SEO, which is critical for boosting product visibility. It doesn't stop there. AdZis provides options to auto-publish content directly to platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento, which is a big advantage for anyone managing a storefront on multiple platforms. AdZis also includes features like meta tags and keyword integration, which are must-haves for optimizing product pages for search engines. While this tool is powerful, it's important to keep in mind that it's designed to handle basic content needs. For more nuanced or highly branded content, you might still need a human editor to fine-tune the descriptions. AdZis offers pricing plans based on the volume of descriptions needed, which is ideal for scalability. It's worth noting, however, that AdZis may require some initial setup to work effectively within your specific product catalog and branding needs. The platform is best for businesses prioritizing speed and consistency over highly custom descriptions for each product. In summary, AdZis is a solid choice for e-commerce businesses looking to automate and streamline content generation for extensive product lines. It's built for scaling product descriptions, integrating SEO elements, and ensuring quick publishing across platforms. While it may not replace the need for human edits entirely, it's an efficient, cost-effective tool for bulk content needs. If automation, SEO, and ease of integration are priorities, AdZis could be an excellent fit.